Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G9 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it because this device gives us the other mode only to record the slow motion. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left where we have access to other modes. As you can see, we have photo modes and the video modes, so let's focus on the video modes. Here we have the slow motion, so when we tap on this we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button here at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. Now stop, and now let's go here to the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this square we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our video. We can play it by just tapping in the center. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device, and this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.